We have a new feature that's been added on Network Design Navigator 2.39.03, where you are able to do mass changes on the different tables. For example, here in DC product control, if you see there's new icons. So I'm going to go ahead and download the Excel because I want to change the variable cost of carbon for all of the locations. And I don't want to do it one by one because it will take a long time. So I'm just going to go ahead and click here and download Excel. And then I'm going to open the Excel. And you see already that you have the same information that you saw also in the Network Design app. And we're going to go and I'm going to look for variable cost of carbon. And I'm going to make it 0.05 for all of them. So I just do it as a normal Excel, copy paste it. Once it's done, I can save it, and then I can click in the Upload Excel button and choose the Excel file I just saved. And if you see, it comes up with the new information now with the variable cost of carbon at 0.05. So this is extremely useful when you want to do mass changes. If you see they appear in all of the tables, there's two new icons of download and upload Excel. So I hope you enjoy it and I hope it's useful.